Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the SteelSeries Apex 3 gaming keyboard. We will dive into its core features, discussing its build quality and overall value for gamers. This keyboard offers a compelling package, especially for those seeking a durable and feature-rich option. We'll explore how it stands out in the competitive gaming peripheral market, providing a clear picture of what to expect from this popular model. Let's talk about performance and typing. The Apex 3 utilizes SteelSeries Whisper Quiet membrane switches, offering a satisfyingly soft and silent keystroke. This makes it excellent for both intense gaming sessions and quiet work environments. With 24-key rollover anti-ghosting, you can be confident that every command registers accurately, even during rapid-fire actions. The switches are also incredibly durable, rated for 20 million presses, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Moving on to design and customization, the Apex 3 truly shines. Its 10-zone RGB illumination lets you personalize your setup with millions of vibrant colors and dynamic effects, all easily controlled through software. The keyboard's IP32 water and dust resistance rating means accidental spills are less of a concern, adding to its longevity. Plus, the dedicated multimedia controls and clickable metal roller provide convenient access to volume and playback, enhancing your overall user experience. So is the SteelSeries Apex 3 worth it? For its price point, this keyboard delivers exceptional value, combining durability, customization, and a comfortable typing experience. It's an excellent choice for gamers who prioritize quiet operation, spill resistance, and vibrant RGB lighting without breaking the bank. While it uses membrane switches, its performance is impressive. Ultimately, if you're looking for a dependable and feature-rich gaming keyboard, the Apex 3 is a strong contender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.